Hola, welcome to Fun for Spanish Materials. In today's video, we're going to talk about the words yesterday, last week, last year, last weekend, last century, and so on. And also, we're going to remember here the concept to be out of the time frame. Uh, Before, we talked about what is to be in the time frame. And to be in the time frame is when you say today, this week, this year, this century. Why? Because you're still in the time frame. So if we say today, you're still in today. If we say this week, you're still in this week. On the contrary, if we say yesterday, are you still in yesterday? No, you're not in yesterday anymore. And that's why we call it out of the time frame. When you're out of time frame, you are not longer there. It's in the past. Last week, are you in last week? No. Last year, are you in last year? No. Last decade, are you in last decade? No. So all these are out of the time frame. Let's have a look at these um, like expressions to express out of the time frame. And also to know that when we talk about this yesterday, last week, last year, last weekend, last month, every time we talk about that, we have to use the past simple. Yeah. So let's have a look at how to mention those. El miércoles pasado, the last Wednesday, o el año pasado, last year, el mes pasado, last month, el fin de semana pasado, the last weekend. So as you can see, we always use the word pasado, yeah, to mean the last. Um, Also, we have here la semana pasada. Since la semana is feminine, then we are going to use pasada, yeah, not pasado, but pasada. La década is feminine, therefore we say la década pasada, and so on. Also, something we use a lot is the word hace, like the ago. Hace un año, 1 year ago. Hace una semana, 1 week ago. Hace 3 años, 3 years ago. Hace 6 días, 6 days ago. And so, I mean, you can say anything here, like 1 hour ago, even. Hace una hora. Um, Good. Also, we can specify a day. El lunes, el sábado, el martes. Um, it's better to say pasado to specify that it was the last Monday, last Saturday, or last Tuesday. Sometimes people don't say it. So, like el lunes, fui a la playa. Like on Monday, I went to the beach. Yeah, yeah, it's also correct. Also, you can name the day by the number. El 10 de enero is the 10th of January. So, yeah, remember, for days, we always use the word el. Yeah. So, yeah, el lunes, el martes, el sábado, el 10 de enero, and so on. Good. Abril, it's a month. So, en abril, en 1970, en invierno, en año nuevo, en mi cumpleaños. And is used for months, years, seasons, special dates. Yeah. Uh, Ayer is yesterday. Anteayer is the day before yesterday. Anoche is last night. So all those are out of the time frame. You're not in yesterday. You're not in the day after yesterday, and you're not in last night anymore. El otro día is when you say like the other day, and yeah, that's that. That will be it. So yeah, every time you wanna mention something out of the time frame, like then you can use these ways. And remember, every time we are out of the time frame, we're gonna use pretérito indefinido. You are not longer there. Is you're not is you're ahead. You're not in yesterday. You're not in last week, and so on. How to practice this? Well, talk about what you did last week. Talk about what you did last year. Talk about what you did yesterday. Talk about what you did last weekend, and so on. Talk about what you did in the last century. I don't know. Yeah. And of course, you have to use always the past simple, called in Spanish also pretérito indefinido. It's just past simple, the I did. Yeah. Um, that would be it. Thank you very much. Please practice this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta luego.